friends, welcome to our channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. On this channel we do Guyanese recipes and tutorials, and on our channel we have all of the Guyanese dishes. Please check them out. Today we're going to be doing oil roti, which is also known as Paratha Roti in Guyana. So this is the most loved roti, oil roti. There are a few other rotis as well, sada roti and dosti roti and dal puri and so on. But this one here is made more often and it's mostly loved, and it goes with all kinds of curries and stews. And this is very easy to make. Today we're going to be showing you how to do that. So the ingredients, we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour there, and we also have some flour on the side which will be used to keep the roti from sticking to flourier surfaces and so on. And we're going to be using some baking powder and some oil to oil the roti as well, as this is called oil roti. Oil is used with this roti, and of course we'll need our rolling pin. And that's all about it. So let's get started, guys. So we're going to start mixing the dough, guys, and you get yourself a basin the size that you'll be comfortable mixing your dough in for the amount of flour that you have. So once we have our flour in the bowl that we're going to mix, we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. So we're going to start with 2 cups of water, guys. We have 2 cups of water here to mix our dough. As you would know, the amount of water required cannot be given precisely. It depends on the consistency of a dough depends on the environment you're in, how hot or how cold it is, how warm. So you want to mix your baking powder in your flour. And then you're gradually going to start adding your water to make your dough. So this oil roti is a staple in Guyana, guys. This is one of favorite dishes in Guyana, usually for breakfast and also dinner. You would have roti and curry for breakfast or dinner. So we also have the other rotis on our channel, guys. Check them out. We have the dosti roti, we have the sada roti, we have dal puri. We have hundreds of traditional Guyanese recipes, video tutorials on our channel. Please check them out, guys. And this here is going to be the softest roti you'll ever see. So the favorite thing to have oil roti with is chicken curry. Chicken curry with some potato. Yummy. Alright, so we finished that 2 cups of water that we started with. And now we are beginning to use another cup. So we'll see how much we have to use from here. And this is for 4 cups of flour, right? So if your dough gets a bit too sticky, you can always add some flour to bring it back. So once you get the texture that you're looking for, guys, and this is what we're looking for, and that's it. So that's how your consistency should be. Here. So that's ready, so we'll continue after. Okay, guys, so as I said, we used the 2 cups of water that we started with, and then we started with another cup, so we barely used any from the last cup that we started with. So 2 cups of water was used to knead this dough. So we're now going to roll out the dough right on our surface here. We're just going to break off the individual pieces, which are referred to as loaves. Just like that. So 8 rotis from 4 cups of flour. That's what you should get. So once you've separated your loaves, it's time to start making out your little rotis. So you're not really rolling out the full-size roti. You're gonna roll them out a bit now, just in order to apply the oil there, and then roll them to give you what's gonna form the layers in the roti that makes it so soft. So this part here, it doesn't have to be round, it doesn't have to be big. This is just done to accommodate the oil and then to roll it again, which is going to give you the layers when the roti is cooked. So rolling it like this now is what is going to give you the layers in the roti when you roll it out again. So you're going to flour your surface where you're going to rest your finished loaves. Alright, so we're going to do the rest and then we'll continue. So we have finished rolling all the 8 rotis, and after that you need to cover it with some plastic wrap like we did here, and then on top of that we're going to put a damp paper towel so that it doesn't lose any moisture from there. So, and now we're going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The reason you're doing that is for let all the oil absorb into the roti, and it's going to make for a softer roti once you cook it in about 15 to 20 minutes from now. So we're going to wait until then, and then we're going to start cooking our rotis. Okay folks, so our roti has rested for the 20 minutes that we said we're going to rest it for, and now we are getting set up here to cook the rotis. So we have some flour there that we had in the beginning. We're still going to need that, and we're going to need some oil in a little bowl like this. You can use a piece of paper towel to apply that to the roti. So we are getting all of that set up, and we're going to be cooking our roti in just a regular frying pan. It works very well. So the first thing now, you're going to take one of the loaves, flour both sides, and then you're going to roll it out like Molly is going to do here. So that's it. That's about the size of the pan. That's about what size your home rotis usually are. So that's finished now, and our pan is hot. So she's going to put that in there now. So you're gonna set your stove on medium for cooking the rotis. And I'm timing this first side. And Molly is already rolling out the next one. So that was just exactly 1 minute. And she's gonna apply oil to the side that was already there, cooked for 1 minute. Then immediately flipping. Oiling the other side and flip it again to cook the other side. So that's the second side is cooking. So there's it. So just about a half a minute on the other side, you flip it back and then it's going to spread like that. And that's when your roti is done. Okay guys, so once the roti is cooked, you then have to clap it to separate the layers to make it fluffy. So this is how Molly does it, the old time way, the old fashioned way. And you see how it loose up the layers there. So I know some of you guys cannot do it this way, and what you can do instead is get a mug or a container with a lid and put it in there and shake it up, and it's going to give you the same, nearly the same results. So that's it, roti done. So many people said they aren't able to clap the roti like Molly is clapping it here. And this goes very nice when it's hot with some butter on it as well. And a cup of tea. That's a Guyanese thing. Okay guys, so we're going to open this roti and show you how soft this is. How many layers there is. Look at that. So you don't need to squish this roti in order to make it look like it's soft. You can see there. It is soft, and there are the many layers that we created when we apply the oil and roll it. That is what creates all these layers. So this is a genuine, traditional, real arrow Guyanese oil roti. Doesn't get any more traditional than this. So we have finished cooking our rotis, and here they are, as soft as ever. Traditional, soft Guyanese oil roti. Look at that. So there you go, look. Look at that. That was the real deal, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.